Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be discussing about a space that is the heart of the home, and that is living room. So I will be guiding you step by step how to design a living room. Whether you're trying to renovate your living room or try to shift things up or design a new one, then this video is for you. So before we start discussing about which furniture to use, which decor to use, which is a part of living room, but it comes a little later. And I will be guiding you how and when. We are going to be dividing this process in 6 steps. And each step will take you closer to your dream living room. Step number 1, need and style. You need to define the need and style of your room. So for example, what are you going to be using your living room for? Is it as a playroom for kids? Is it for entertaining the guests? Or is it for relaxing, watching TV? Whatever it is, you have to figure out the needs. Now let's talk about style. Style in the sense, what is the design style that you want to go for? A very good way to find that out is going on Pinterest. If you don't know what is Pinterest, then Pinterest is an app where you can scroll on through the images of anything that you want, and you can create the mood boards as per your taste. So as I said, you can go on Pinterest and you can scroll through some living room options that you like. You can save some of them so that you will understand what is the style that you like. Is it something of modern look? Is it more Indianness that you want in your living room? Or is it clean lines? Or is it bold colors or subtle colors or whatever it is? You have to figure that out through these images, and that's how you get to know your need and style. Step number 2, plan your layout. Now this is something practical and crucial stuff, because it is important to plan your layout to consider the functionality of your space. You need to consider the shape of the room, what are the dimensions of the room, and where are the windows and the doors placed, where can be the TV placed. All of things will come into the picture. Also, you have to consider whether you are giving enough space for walking and circulating. Consider about conversation areas to see how people can sit and interact with each other. This is something very important, and as an interior designer, we are here to guide you for that. Step 3 is key furnitures. Now this is a third step and an important step, and most probably the step that you might be looking for, that is furnitures. So when it comes to furniture, a key element or a star element that we can say is your sofa. A sofa should be of the right size, of which is perfect for your living room, because generally what it happens is sometimes people will go for the sofa that is bulky in a smaller space, which will occupy almost all of the space in your living room. And also, you can't just buy like a smaller sofa in a big room which will not look proportionate. And the second point to consider about your sofa is it should be comfortable, obviously, so that people can sit and chat or even watch TV comfortably. Then comes the list of other furnitures, that is a coffee table, a TV unit, maybe some shelves on the wall, or maybe some ottomans with hidden storages so that you can keep your space clutter free. Also, you can invest in some good armchairs, because armchairs provide additional seating and can definitely add to the personality of your space. Step number 4, texture and color. Now, when it comes to texture and color, we are talking about the paint colors and the textures that you can incorporate in your home. That is through different materials like soft throws, cozy rugs, woven baskets, and smooth ceramics. Now, color sets the mood. You can choose the color considering the amount of natural light that is coming in through your living room. You can maybe go for the neutral colors and then add some pop-up colors through some throw pillows or some interesting decor items in your space. You can also add an accent wall, as it will never go wrong. Don't be afraid for experiment, but aim for balanced and harmonious palette. Step 5. Lighting. Now lighting is very important for any space, and it can really transform your space to the next level. And therefore I think that lighting needs a special video. That is the reason I'm not going much in depth of lighting right now, but I promise that the next video is going to be about lighting, especially lighting for living room, and I hope it is going to be more helpful than just giving a brief information about it right now. But yes, lighting is important, and it can either make or break your look of the space. Step number 6, that is finishing touches. Now when I'm talking about finishing touches, I'm talking about something that can give your touch, your feel to the space. Because unless and until you are giving something personal to your room, you are not going to be feeling that comfort or that satisfaction of designing a space. And that is why being an artwork that you might have painted, or you might have purchased it from somewhere where you went on a vacation, or maybe you have an hobby of collecting few artifacts or something, you can just display them, showcase them, and that is how you personalize the space and add the finishing touches to your room. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video, and I hope that it was really helpful and that you have really taken down the notes from this. So if you have watched the video till here, then comment below living room so that we will get to know how many of you have really enjoyed this video. So yeah, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, happy designing!